What's up, guys? Today taking a look at Gimme Shelter from the Rolling Stones. We're in open E tuning, so if you don't know what that is, check it out in the link in the description. I got a delay, reverb, and tremolo pedal on. I'm going to give a shot of that. It's more for personal use. So there's a shot of the delay, reverb, and tremolo. Alright, so we're going to be starting out here on the 9th fret, and this goes for all the frets. You're barring 1 to 5. If you're having a problem with that, full bar, just bar 3 to 5, that'll do you. And then over here on 10th fret, you're fretting 3rd string. You're going to pick 5, 4, and then 3. And then right from there, you're fretting 4th string on the 11th fret, picked once, back to 3rd string on the 10th fret, once. So that's the very first part. Second part of this is going to be 5, 4, 3. So both parts together. Then we move down here to 7th fret. Again, full bar, 1 to 5. And for those who can't, 3 to 5. You're going to pick 5, 4. Then we're going to keep that barred, but we're coming over here to 8th fret, fretting 3rd string, 4th string, and the 9th fret, and we're going to strum this 4th and 3rd string once. Then you're going to pick that 5th string once, and then you're going to strum through 4 and 3. That's going to repeat 3 times. After that 3rd time is played, you take your ring finger off and strum through 4 and 3. So this whole part is going to be. Then we move up here to the 5th fret. Again, 1 to 5 barred, 3 to 5 having a problem. You're going to pick 5 and then 4. Then we're coming over here, 7th fret. You're holding that bar, by the way, but we're barring 3 and 4 on the 7th. You're going to strum that once. And then, being you have this barred, really all you're doing is strumming this 4th and 3rd on the 5th. So to start that out, it's going to be. Right from there, you're picking the 5th string once, and then just rebarring 3 and 4 on the 7th. Back to 3 and 4 on the 5th, and then that repeats. Then we move back to 7th fret, and it's that full bar. The only thing is you're just strumming that barred 4th and 3rd, and then over here on the 8th, you're fretting 3rd string and 4th string on the 9th. You're going to strum through 4 and 3, back to that barred 3rd and 4th on the 7th, and then right from there you're picking that 5th string fretted on the 7th, and that's the reason that you get a bar from 3 to 5, and you can get away with it that way. So to put that part together, it's just going to be. Alright, so I figured I would throw this in because I really like this part of the song. You're going to strum from the open 5th down to the open 3rd once, and then you're going to bar from 5 to 3 on the 5th fret, strummed once, and you're going to repeat that open, rebar, open, and then you're going to rebar, and then you're going to end on the open. So that is fretted 3 times. So you got. Then we come down here to the 7th fret, and we bar 5 to 3, and then you're going to do that open, then you're going to rebar, and then you're going to end with it open. Then we come down here to the 9th, and then it's automatic bar from the 5th down to the 3rd. So all together you got.